Synapse Analytics. It's prime time, baby. What's up, everybody? Mel coming at you again with Sunrise Compass. Sunrise was an early adopter of Azure Synapse for our own internal reporting and analytic needs. Synapse is also the recommended analytics platform for our CE and D365 implementations. Check out this interview with one of our resident BI experts, Josh Deacon, to learn more about the platform.
So tell me about it. What is this platform?
Synapse is Microsoft's modern, limitless analytics platform. It's a tool that Microsoft has put together to allow any Microsoft customer to pull data together, whether it's structured or unstructured.
Okay, so the apps that we normally use, like F&O and CE, what does that mean for us?
Well, we don't have access to the back-end production database. So Synapse allows us to extract the data out of D365, CE, legacy systems, or any other kind of unstructured sources that the customer might have, and put it into one analytics platform.
Awesome. We definitely needed something since Microsoft moved everything to the cloud.
Yes, so let's quickly take a look at the components within Azure Synapse platform.
Cool.
There's the data lake storage component, the pipelines, which serve as your ETL process, SQL pools, and serverless SQL.
Serverless SQL. That's pretty cool. The other stuff kind of sounds familiar.
Correct. It's a rebranding of a lot of different tools and products that Microsoft has built over the years. They really just combined it into one new platform, along with serverless SQL and Synapse Link. The groundbreaking part is the serverless SQL, which you were excited about, but also the new feature of Synapse Link.
So how are they able to make all this happen and accomplish this?
Well, the key thing to know is that Synapse pulls the data as flat files, and there's a file that represents the schema, which makes serverless SQL possible and fast.
That's making a little bit more sense. Can you show me though, how it works?
Yes, we can. In fact, we have a demo prepared for you today.
Nice.
Here we have our Synapse Analytics workspace. The first thing you'll notice is that we have two databases, one from CE and one from F&O. Getting data into the lake is super simple. In Power Apps, I use Synapse Link, which is a tool that automatically synchronizes and formats your data in the lake. All I need to do is select my data sources I desire, and the data will be available in the lake, along with the schema, within a matter of minutes. Configuring F&O is a little bit more involved, but it follows the same general flow. You'll find an Export to Data Lake menu item in System Administration. From here, you could select the tables or entities that you want to send to the data lake. An option to select custom entities allows existing projects to leverage existing work to transition to Synapse. It's important to note that you'll need to run a command line utility to generate the F&O schema in Synapse. Hopefully, Microsoft will automate this process in the future because it's a little bit clunky right now. Once I have the data in my data lake, I'm free to do things like write T-SQL. Here's an example of where I selected some customer and credit information from F&O and joined it to CE data like the primary contact name. It's not hard to imagine how you could take this a step further. You could write a stored procedure, for example, that runs in a pipeline at a specified interval to curate data from different sources and make it available for consumption, whether that's Power BI or some other external system.
Whoa, so Synapse is bringing together data integration, enterprise data warehousing, and big data analytics all together?
So Synapse is the result of Microsoft's tools and development and iteration over multiple years into one unified platform.
One nice, pretty package for everybody to consume.
Correct, especially from the customer's point of view. Like what we've said from the beginning of this video, new projects are using Synapse. It's a tool, a process, a platform that I encourage everyone to explore. There are links below this video to get you started.
All right, hope y'all enjoyed that behind the scenes look. And those links that Josh mentioned are also listed below in the description. But if you still have questions, just reach out. All right, well, join us next time on Sunrise Compass. See you later.